Today we will show how to replace the front flex of an iPhone XS Max. Replacing it will solve issues related to the front camera, front speaker, light sensor, etc. So let's get started. First, we will remove the display connector and the front flex connector. To remove the front flex, first unscrew the screws on top of it. Now we will remove the face unlock sensor and the light sensor. Now we will carefully clean the face unlock sensor and apply a small soldering paste. Then we will attach it to the new flex. Now we will connect the new flex to the front speaker and secure it with the screws. Then we will reconnect the front flex connector and the display connector. Now we will power on the phone. Once it's powered on, we will test it. We will shine light on the ambient light sensor to check if it's working properly. Next, we will check if the face unlock sensor, Face ID, is working properly. And finally, we will check if the front camera is working properly. If everything is fine, the replacement is complete.